Welcome to Fun Fact Trivia. This channel is for everyone who loves fun facts and trivia quizzes. Let's get started. Good luck!
Which herb is commonly used to make pesto? Basil, mint, or coriander? Basil. What is the key ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, parsley, or avocado? Avocado. Which spice gives Indian curry its yellow color? Turmeric, cumin, or paprika? Turmeric. What is the primary ingredient in the Mexican dish ceviche? Chorizo, raw fish, or corn? Raw fish. In which country did the sandwich originate? Italy, England, or France? In England by the 4th Earl of Sandwich. What is the primary ingredient in the Greek dish moussaka? Eggplant, zucchini, or potato? It is eggplant. In French cuisine, what is the main ingredient in coq au vin? Beef, chicken, or lamb? The answer is chicken. What fish is used as the base for Worcestershire sauce? Cod, barramundi, or anchovy? It's the anchovy. What is the primary ingredient in the Middle Eastern dip, baba ganoush? Cucumber, chickpeas, or eggplant? Eggplant. Which ingredient can be light, heavy, or clotted? Cheese, cream, or yogurt? Cream. Oyster, shiitake, and button are types of which vegetable? Mushroom, bean, or onion? They are all mushrooms. Which country is most likely to use a tandoor oven for cooking? India, New Zealand, or Tanzania? India. How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? 3, 5, or 7? There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. What is the traditional topping for cottage pie? Breadcrumbs, mashed potato, or pastry? Everything tastes better with mashed potato. What type of pasta is this? Linguine, vermicelli, or fettuccine? Fettuccine. The deli meat pastrami is typically made from which animal? Cow, pig, or goat? Pastrami is made from the cow. What is the hemispherical pan used in Chinese cooking? Griddle, stockpot, or wok? The wok. What is the main ingredient of sauerkraut? Lettuce, cabbage, or asparagus? Cabbage. Traditionally, what frosting is used for a carrot cake? Buttercream, cream cheese, or whipped cream? I will have cream cheese on my carrot cake. What do you add to a martini to make it a Gibson? A pickled onion, an olive, or a lemon slice? A pickled onion. Thank you for joining me on this foodie adventure. Happy cooking and eating. Catch you in the next quiz.